Hi there, this is our Jones and Shipman cylindrical grinder. It's came ex-Polytech. It's in tremendously good condition. It's got the internal grinding, really nice coolant system with the conveyor type cloth as well as the coolant pump and settlement areas. It's got someone's put a new tailstock on it at some stage of its life, really nice one there. You can put the stone in either position here on this wheel head area. Dual swivelling and the compound slide as well as the normal infeed. Internal at the back. So general condition is really good and it ticks over nicely. I've noticed this internal spindle is a little bit rough sounding, so that may need a little bit of a lube, but maybe dry or rubbing on something. It's got the dual positions here for the coolant, this side or here. It's got the light that's not working at the moment, but I imagine it would be working. I suspect that that's just a light bulb. Swivelling table. It's got the continuous infeed as well for ploughing in. I'm not sure how to get that operating. It's got the rapid approach as well by hand. You just pull this lever out and wind it and it gives you the rapid coming in by hand. And it's got the normal fine adjustments, etc. Belt driven here. Alright, we'll power some things up. I'll run the coolant system first. It doesn't have any fluid in it. That's the pump running. And that's the conveyor going there. That conveyor's ticking over nicely. Pump's a bit noisy. Okay, we'll start the hydraulic pump up there. That's the hydraulic pump ticking over. That's the traverse operating. And infeed. So I'll take that speed up, so the variable speed's working good. And slower. So that's traversing and cross-feeding nicely. There's the table traversed by hand and it feels really nice. And just take this out so I can do that by hand. Oh, there you are. There we go. So that's bringing the wheel head in and out, really nice and smooth, and then if I pull this out it takes me on to the rapid, which mode is it in and out, and that feels beautiful and smooth, all of that. Under here it's got the hydraulic tank level gauge and a wee lubricating valves, so you can just open them up to send a little bit more lubrication up to the table, and then two other valves for bleeding the system, and it's very tidy down there. So that's the coolant system and the hydraulics with that hydraulic pump running and that traverse and the hand operating bits and pieces. I'll start up the main wheel. There that is running there, and that started up and ticks over really nicely. And I'll start up the work head. That's that started and running there. And that's the traverse going. And the infeed. So that's everything operating there. The workhead's nice and quiet, the wheel head's nice, the hydraulic pump's nice and quiet, it's traversing and cross-feeding nicely. Only thing I haven't got running at the moment is the coolant system. So I'll stop that hydraulic, workhead, wheel head. So yeah, very top quality machine, and it's in tremendously good condition. It's got some really good features with that wheel head swivel actions and the continuous infeed option, etc. And really top quality class bit